Hello hackers, so this is ethical hacking tutorial, and just to have some fun, today we will fix Kali Linux VLC problem because the hackers also might need some music or some movie time. So we will fix our VLC installation on Kali Linux, which does not opens by default. Although on Kali Linux it is installed by default, but if it is not, type this command on your screen and also given below in description, and in the terminal window after installation, copy and paste the command given in description and just hit enter in terminal window. That's it, VLC is fixed now. So now try opening any file, multimedia files, and we will verify this. Although running VLC as a root user is not suggested by me, try creating any additional user and run this.